Today we'll talk about how can you add your username on your wallet app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do in the first, so you just go down, click on this sign down here. When you click on this sign, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, so you just click here on address 1, you click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do here, you just click on setup profile. So then here you set your username here in this list. That's all you have to. So when you're done, click here on claim my username. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.